Apple releases a new macOS every year with great features, but not all Macs are compatible. Wondering if yours is? Start by checking your Mac's model and year. Click on the Apple icon in the top left corner and select About this Mac. Then compare your Mac's details to the compatibility list in this video. Here's the list. Compatible models for macOS 15 Sequoia. Compatible models for macOS 14 Sonoma are. Compatible models for macOS 13 Ventura are. Compatible models for macOS 12 Monterey are. Compatible models for macOS 11 Big Sur are. Compatible models for macOS 1015 Catalina are. Compatible models for macOS 1014 Mojave are. Compatible models for macOS 1013 High Sierra are. Compatible models for macOS 1012 Sierra are. Compatible models for macOS 1011 El Capitan are. Compatible models for macOS 1010 Yosemite are. Compatible models for macOS 1019 Mavericks are. Compatible models for macOS 10.8 Mountain Lion are. Is your Mac not on the list for the latest macOS? Don't worry. You can still keep it secure and running smoothly with these three options. First, make sure your current macOS version is up to date with the latest security patches. To check, go to the Apple menu, open System Settings, then General and Software Update. Next, improve your Mac's performance by removing unnecessary files. Tools like CleanMyMac from Setapp can help you free up space and speed up your system. Just install CleanMyMac, click Clean Up in the side menu, then hit Scan and review all junk. Choose what to remove and click Clean Up. You can also monitor your Mac's performance with iStat menus, which shows insights like CPU usage and battery health to help identify potential issues early. The third option is upgrading your Mac's hardware. Tools like NovaBench can test your Mac's CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage speed to give you a score and insights on what needs improvement. In short, even if your Mac can't run the latest macOS, you can still keep it secure and smooth with tools like CleanMyMac, iStat menus, and NovaBench from Setapp. Get a free 7-day trial to try these apps and over 250 others. Sign up today and make managing your Mac easier.